combined with many other valid reasons, is why I hate birds.
See if it'll listen to you.
Hey there, buddy. It's me, your papa.
Probably not the time, but it's super creepy that you call yourself that.
How about some funny faces?
Step aside. I'll establish dominance. Cuckoo! Cuckoo!
We need to find cover!
Come on.
Quick, into the bathroom! Sorry, Mom. We tried. Or, I tried at least.
Oh, well, I guess I'm stuck with the world's worst sign-off. Whoa, what's that shaking? I'm Dina Duran.
And that's what's shaking! It's quippy, it's fun, and it doesn't make me embarrassed to be your daughter.
Yeah, it's the perfect sign-off. Where's Gabby? She's definitely gonna want to hear about this.
Any ideas? Wait, your journal! Maybe there's something in there! Where is it?
I may have left it at school. The centaurs are coming! The herd is nigh!
Wesley, I don't want to go out like this. Not while we're still arguing.
Me neither. I'm sorry about the journals. I just wanted to be a part of all this.
I'm sorry too. Shouldn't have made you feel bad. Yeah, I know it was silly, but this job isn't half as fun without you. Wait, what happened? We were hugging and then it just stopped.
It appears this is a Vitaxian vibrabird, an alien species that responds to the emotional vibrations of those around them. They left very detailed instructions, which you obviously never read.
I skimmed.
Responds to emotional vibrations. So, when we were fighting with each other, it was angry, and it calmed down when we made up.
That makes perfect sense. And hey, everyone's happy now.
Everyone is not happy. But in the interests of avoiding another bird-quake, perhaps we should postpone this conversation.
Hey, this is Kylie Cantrall from Gabby Duran and the Unsittables. If you want to see more videos like that and other fun stuff, click subscribe. And to watch full episodes of Gabby Duran and the Unsittables, check us out on Disney Channel or right now in Disney Now.